30 words your baby must know. Hello sweetheart, good morning. Today we are gonna see the first 30 words you need to know. Come on, let's go and see it. The. Say it with me. The. And. Say it with me. And. Say it with me. To. Repeat after me. To. Said. Repeat after me. Said. In. Say it with me. In. He. Repeat after me. He. I. Say it with me. I. Off. Repeat after me. Off. It. Say it with me. It. Was. Repeat after me. Was. You. Say it with me. You. They. Repeat after me. They. On. Say it with me. On. She. Repeat after me. She. Is. Say it with me. Is. For. Repeat after me. For. At. Say it with me. At. His. Repeat after me. His. But. Say it with me. But. That. Say it with me. That. With. Repeat after me. With. All. Say it with me. All. We. Repeat after me. We. Can. Say it with me. Can. Are. Repeat after me. Are. Up. Say it with me. Up. Had. Say it with me. Had. My. Repeat after me. My. Her. Say it with me. Her. Let's take a break. Children, stand up. Look to your left, look to your right. Look to your left, look to your right. Look to your left, look to your right. Great job. Now stand straight. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Great job. Now stand straight. Jump as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Very good. Now let's continue. This time, let's read it together. The. And. To. Said. In. He. I. Of. It. Was. You. They. On. She. Is. For. At. His. But. That. With. All. We. Can. Are. Up. Had. my, her. Let's take a break. Children, stand up. Look to your left, look to your right. Look to your left, look to your right. Look to your left, look to your right. Great job. Now stand straight. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Great job. Now stand straight. Jump as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Jump up as high as you can. Very good. Now let's continue. Now this time let's read a bit faster. The, and, a, to, said, in, he, I, of, it, was, you, they, on, she, is, for, at, his, but, that, with, all, we, can, are, up, had, my, her. Okay, sweetheart, we have seen a lot today, haven't we? Let's learn more on my next video. Before that, remind mommy and daddy to subscribe to this channel to get new videos update. See you soon. Bye-bye.